So, did your credit score drop after a bunch of hard inquiries? Yeah, that can be frustrating. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to recover your credit score after hard inquiries and what you can do to bounce back faster. First, let's quickly understand what's happening. A hard inquiry shows up when you apply for a credit card, loan, or financing. Lenders check your report, and that request can lower your score by a few points. Usually it's small, like maybe 5 to 10 points, but multiple inquiries in a short time can add up. Step 1, pause new credit applications. Yeah, this is important. Every new hard inquiry adds more pressure to your score. Give your report some breathing room. Next, focus on perfect payment history. Payment history makes up the biggest part of your credit score. So even if hard inquiries lowered it, consistent on-time payments can help offset that impact over time. Now let's talk about credit utilization. If you're using a high percentage of your available credit, try paying it down. Keeping your balances below 30%, or even lower if possible, can give your score a nice boost. Also, review your credit report carefully. If you see a hard inquiry you don't recognize, you can dispute it. Sometimes errors happen, and removing an unauthorized inquiry can help restore points. Here's the good news. Hard inquiries only affect your score for about 1 year, even though they stay on your report for 2 years. So, as time passes and you manage your credit responsibly, your score naturally recovers. So, yeah, recovering from hard inquiries isn't about doing one big thing. It's about steady, smart habits. Stop applying for new credit, pay everything on time, lower your balances, and just give it a little time. Your score will move back up. If you found this helpful, stick around for more simple credit tips. Planning to apply for a loan soon? Yeah. Before you hit that apply button, your credit score matters more than you think. In this video, I'll